What if heaven was not above the clouds, but hidden between mountains, glaciers, and the cold blue waters of the north? This is Norway, a country where the land looks carved by giants, where the sun sometimes refuses to set, and where every fjord tells a story millions of years old. Did you know Norway's famous fjords were not created by rivers alone? They were carved by ancient glaciers. As ice moved through the mountains, it scraped the rock like a giant blade, deepening valleys until the sea later filled them with water. That is why Norway's fjords look so dramatic, narrow, deep, and surrounded by cliffs. Some of these fjords are so extraordinary that UNESCO recognizes them as part of the world's natural heritage. Geirangerfjord and Nærøyfjord are considered classic examples of the western Norwegian fjord landscape, long, deep, and almost impossibly scenic. In northern Norway, summer can feel like a dream. Above the Arctic Circle, the sun can stay above the horizon for 24 hours. Visit Norway notes that parts of northern Norway can experience up to 76 days of midnight sun between May and July. But in winter, Norway changes completely. Long darkness returns, and the sky becomes a stage for the northern lights. In places like Tromsø, Alta, Lofoten, and Bodø, green ribbons of aurora can move above the mountains from late September to late March. This is what makes Norway so powerful on screen. In one country, you can find Arctic islands, deep fjords, green farming valleys, glacier plateaus, fishing villages, modern cities, and roads that seem to float across the ocean. Along Norway's western coast, the Atlantic Road feels less like a highway and more like a line drawn across the sea. The scenic route is 36 kilometers long in total, and its famous Atlantic Road section connects Averøy with the mainland through bridges and island-hopping roads. Water is everywhere here. It falls from cliffs, cuts through valleys, fills the fjords, powers towns, and reflects the sky. In Norway, water is not just scenery, it is part of the country's identity. Here is a surprising modern fact. Norway is one of the world leaders in electric cars. In 2025, Reuters reported that electric vehicles made up about 95.9% of all new car registrations in Norway, an astonishing shift for a country famous for wild landscapes and long-distance roads. Oslo is not a capital that pushes nature away. It opens directly toward the fjord, forests, islands, and hills. From above, the city feels modern, but still connected to the landscape: glass, water, stone, trees, and sky, all meeting in one frame. For decades, Norway was known internationally for a policing tradition, where officers were generally unarmed during regular duties, with firearms used under stricter rules or special circumstances. Even as policies have changed, that history still reveals something powerful about Norway. This is a society where public trust has long been part of daily life. Now look at Lofoten. White beaches, clear turquoise water, sharp mountains rising straight from the sea. It almost looks tropical until you remember this island chain sits above the Arctic Circle. Norway is full of these visual contradictions. For centuries, the sea shaped life along Norway's coast. Fishing villages were built close to the water, close to the weather, and close to survival. From above, they look peaceful, but every red cabin and harbour tells a story of storms, work, family, and endurance. Far north of mainland Norway lies Svalbard, a remote Arctic archipelago where glaciers, polar night, midnight sun, and extreme cold define life. It is one of the northernmost inhabited places on Earth, and its wilderness feels almost otherworldly. In Svalbard, polar bears are not just symbols of the Arctic, they are protected wildlife. Visit Svalbard states that polar bears have been protected since 1973, and it is illegal to pursue, disturb, lure, or feed them. Driving in Norway can feel like traveling through a movie set. Roads bend around cliffs, disappear into tunnels, cross bridges, and rise over mountain passes. In a country shaped by fjords and rock, roads are not just transportation. They are engineering against nature. There is another reason Norway feels different. The landscape slows everything down. The mountains do not rush. The fjords do not hurry. Even the light moves gently across the water. From above, Norway feels like a reminder to breathe. For aerial documentary storytelling, Norway is almost perfect. It has scale, contrast, mystery, and movement. Every 30 seconds, the landscape changes. Every valley hides a fact. Every road leads to another impossible view. We came here for beauty. But Norway gives us more than beauty. It gives us ancient ice, glowing skies, Arctic silence, ocean roads, protected wilderness, and a society shaped by trust, water, and weather. So maybe Norway does look like heaven on earth, not because it is perfect, but because it feels untouched, powerful, and alive. If this aerial journey moved you, subscribe to Bonafit Virtual Aerial Tours and continue exploring the world from above, one breathtaking destination at a time.